can use a feature in the data validation to clean up data. So for example, over here you'll see we've got a drop down list. That's what we should have had in our listing over here. If you look carefully though, you'll see there are other items. So the first thing we'll do is we'll put the validation on. So I'll highlight that cell, I go to data validation, I tell it to do a list, and the source we're going to tell it to look over here. So when I say OK, now going forward we've got a nice drop down and we can see what we should choose, but that doesn't help us for the ones down here because Excel cannot change these retrospectively. But what we can do is if you go to the data validation button and you click on the drop down, you'll see there's an item here called circle invalid data. And when I click on it, if we scroll down, what it does is it circles anything that does not match what it's expecting. So for example, if we go down here, you'll see it's highlighted this Washington DC that's missing the G, and this Embassy of Washington, because those there did not exist in the list. And this way you can now work through this. So this one should say Denmark spelled differently. Click on it and choose the correct one. And you'll see it then shows it like that. If you then go and say circle it again, you'll see now that one's okay, the other ones are not shown.